The new Linux Mint upgrade tool. Let's try this again. Sudo mint upgrade enter. Of course, you need your password to continue. So upgrade to Linux Mint 21 Vanessa. Let's go. Now you guys might recall I tried this a month ago and I found a bug, or at least I think it's a bug. If it's a feature, it's not very user-friendly. A series of tests will now be performed to prepare the computer. Alright, so checking the apt cache. And we'll see what happens here. Now I'll show you what I mean. If you're going to switch from Windows to Linux or whatever, Mac to Linux, you want it to be easier, more user-friendly, and not less user-friendly. At least that's my thoughts. So let's see what happens here. And I was able to solve this, what I call a bug, or this unfriendly feature. So this will go through the motions. Now this computer should be ready to go. I did the regular updates and the reboots to get this prepared. Okay. Here we go. System snapshots. Perform a system time shift. They call it time shift snapshot before attempting to upgrade. If the upgrade is not successful, a system snapshot will allow you to go back in time and revert to all the changes. Okay, if you're going to back up your system, or more specifically files and folders, okay, which is more important, I think, never back them up or save them on the same hard drive. Always back up to external drives and back up again. And again, and again. You can never have too many backups. Because if you do this, what if your current drive in this machine is going bad and you don't know it's going bad? It's possible. So there should have been a feature here that says, hey, bypass, skip, next. It's not here. It says fix or check again. Well, I don't want to do this. I don't do this in Windows. So why should I do this in Linux? So what I did, I went to preferences, okay? Recent time shift. Sorry. That was a slip. Oh, well, you can laugh. Okay, stop laughing. All right, so turn that off, okay? Let's turn that off. So let's try this again and see if this works. Sudo mint upgrade. Let's go. All right, we'll do the tests. And I think by doing that, I think we're able to bypass that little bug, which was annoying, I'll be honest. Not that there's anything wrong with my current Linux Mint. It's working perfectly fine. So let's see what happens now and see if it works. Now I won't go through the entire upgrade process in this recording. You can do this on your own, and hopefully it'll work. If it crashes, it doesn't matter. All my files, pictures, everything is backed up on external drives. I'm all good to go. In case this drives went kafooey. So let's see. Looking for foreign packages. Foreign packages like from China, Russia, stuff like that. Okay, should be almost done. Like I said, this computer, I believe, is pretty much prepped to run the full upgrade, which I don't think I'll do this now. I actually tried this 3 days ago, okay, so it should work. It should work unless something has changed. So if you are new to all this, Linux Mint is fantastic. So is Zorin, Ubuntu Mate. Okay, so I don't see that error, that pop-up warning. So a few more tests and so on. So in this case, follow the instructions. Now for now, I will skip this, but it appears I have solved that little annoying bug, feature, whatever you want to call it. Try it. See if it works for you.